Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a first move tango triple cross. So knowing how to do a first move tango cross would be really helpful, and actually knowing how to do a first move tango triple would be really helpful as well. So I'll put links to those in the description below. We'll jump straight in and we'll show you the move. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So let's put it together. It starts off like a standard first move. We go back, we come in. When we twist the ladies out, the guy steps back with the right. So the lady's back with the right and the guy's back with the right. What's going to happen now is we're going to lead the lady around to her left to do an ocho. Guys are going to go forwards onto their right, but we're not going to fully weight it. So we come through and we put the weight on and take it off, and then we finish putting the weight on. And then we go through, second ocho, guys left, ladies left, and we go through, weight off, weight on. So we're always opposite our partner. So same leg, but going in the opposite direction. So we do that again. On and off and on. One more time. So we've done 4 in total. And now from here, we're going to bring the lady through for just a standard ocho as the guy steps forwards, turning to the left, on to the right. So the guy's got a nice solid base, supporting the lady, straight into a twist out for the lady. And then it's just finishes a first move, in, under and face, return and back. We'll do that again from the other side. So you get another view, and we'll talk numbers. We go back 1, in 2, preparation 3, and then we go ocho, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3. Guys take a step, ladies through, 4, twist out, 5, in 6, turning 7, facing 8, return 1 and back 2. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, first move tango, triple cross. We go back, in, prep, on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off, step, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. And that's that. That's the first move tango triple cross. Hope you find that one works out well for you. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move and the channel, so thank you. Subscribing promotes the channel even more, so big thank you to everyone who does that. Notifications, if they're turned on, will mean you get told every time a new video comes out so you never miss anything. And in the last few seconds of the video, there is a music link which will take you off to a music video where there'll be a nice tune to practice this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.